What's going on, everyone? Carlos here at Disney World Freak. Just checked in to a resort that we never thought we'd be checking into, but we are here at the Grand Floridian in Villas, and we're staying here at a studio villa for the first time. And I figured I'd give you a tour of the room. This is what it looks like. You get 2 double beds, look like queen size beds. They might be full, but it could be queen size. Nice art piece here. We got a plug with some USB down below. A lot of lighting, more lighting here. That is insane. Why do we need this much lighting? I don't know. Nice comfy pillows. A sleeper sofa. This room sleeps 5. There's Ethan already sitting on a couch. A little table there. We have Mary Poppins painting. That's beautiful. Everybody knows my last name already, and if not, you're not following me. That is us. Nice little stand here. A couple of drawers. A little seating area, maybe a makeup area. I don't know what this is. What do we have here? Blow dryer. Look at that blow dryer. Suzanne's happy. Blow dryer. Studios get microwave oven. Keurigs. I was hoping it wasn't a Keurig. I was hoping it was a regular coffee machine, but it's a Keurig. Real cups, not those paper cups. What do we have? A lot of coffee. Joffrey's. You get your cream and sugar. Paper goods, plates, fridge. We got a refrigerator. Glass refrigerator. Cabinets here. You got your safe. You have a steamer up there if you want to steam your clothes. Robes. Robes. They don't feel the greatest, but the robes. You got your luggage stand. You do have a broom. Some hangers. Extra pillows up above. Oh, I just noticed that. The lighting. It lights when you open a door. Look at that. It's like a refrigerator and it shuts off. Very cool, very cool. So yeah, the couch does open it up for sleepers. So this sleeps 5. Plenty of room under the bed for luggage. We don't have our luggage yet. Just called Bell Service. We just came back from the park. So I figured I'd do this while the room is very clean. You have your Bible, got your Bible there. You got your phone, you got your control lamps. We are on the 5th floor, so we have cathedral ceilings here. And of course, the best part of any deluxe resort or DVC is a balcony, a veranda, and this one is huge. Look at this. I am standing at the end of it. There is Suzanne all the way on the other end. This is a large little deck, and then we got the boats going out for the parade. We do not have a firework view, but I'm assuming we'll have a maybe not. I'm not sure where the pageant parade would go by, so we might have that. But this is what we see. We see over that way a little bit the top of Epcot. You can see the TTA, the Poly, and the rest of the Grand Floridian. And that is it. I love this view. Can't wait to sit out here later on tonight and tomorrow. But this is your, we forgot the bathroom. Lots of USBs, lots of plugs. There's some here. There's some on this side of the bed too. A lot of USBs, a lot of plugs. Come in handy. The bathroom. Forgot to show the bathroom. Another nice painting there. Get your towels, plenty of towels. Double sink, which comes in handy with 2 girls. large, very large mirror. You got your makeup mirror. Barn door for the bathroom. Very nice, very nice. Barn door, you got your toilet. And you got your tub shower combo with a handheld shower handle as well. With a rain shower top. Very nice size, very nice size. Yes. And that's it. That's your room tour for a studio on the 5th floor of the Grand Floridian. There's your chandelier. So that's it. If you like this video, leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time.